a makeup tutorial and a slash get ready with me. Because my husband and I are going on a triple double date with my sister, her husband, my other sister, her husband, my brother, his wife. So it's going to be good. We're going to go see The Equalizer 3. So first, what I'm going to do is, I just got these because I got this from Dollar General. And it was like on a clearance sale at Dollar General. So I got them. And I only paid like 20 cents for it. But the only thing I don't like about this is that the pink grapefruit scent is very strong. And that's one thing I don't like. But I'm going to use it to wipe my face. Sometimes y'all might see me looking to the left. It's because, I have a better view. And then sometimes you might see me looking behind me because I have a magnifying mirror that's kind of close up. So, if I'm not looking at y'all, please forgive me. Now make sure your face is nice and clean. And I always fan dry with my hands. Okay, first I'm going to start off with telling you what I put on my hair. I used the Curl La La. Oh my gosh, y'all. It smells so good. It's pink in the inside. And it smells good. This time, instead of me washing it, because I normally wash my hair and then put that in, but this time I did something different, and I put it in my hair while my hair was dry. So, which I'm really loving the curl consistency that it has. But yeah, I wiped my face with the wipes. So now I'm gonna use the milk product. Okay, I like to spray it in my hand versus on my face. I don't know why, but for some reason I just don't like the way it feels on my face. So I just do a couple of pumps, put it on my face, on my eyes, just to make sure you have it moisturized. Top that up. Boom, bam. Get away with it. Next, I'm going to use my concealer. Sorry, y'all. I'm having allergies. My nose is itchy. My concealer. And what I do is, I just put some on the top of my eyes. Then I take a blender and I just dab. Sometimes I blend it with my hands, which I think is, I'm sorry, but I think it's better for me to blend with my hands versus the what is that? I'm being nosy. Our next door neighbor outside fixing on his car. And when I hear noises, I just, I gotta see what's going on. That's just okay. I just feel like it's blended enough. Okay, so next, I get my Ace and Beauty. Excuse how it looks. I've been using it Oh, the trash people coming. I've been using it, so that's why you can't even see the name of it. But it's Ace and Beauty, and I use bronze, and I always use this color down here. I take it, I dab it, the excess, then I take it in circular motions, and I put it over my eye. Do it again, dab the excess, and I put it on my eye in circular motions. I just feel like circular motion would get it better and easier. Then I do the other eye, dab the excess. Excuse me, y'all. And I go in circular motion, and I dot it on my eye. Do it again, circular motion, and I dot it on my eye. I'm looking over here because I'm trying to make sure I get it out. I don't want that the white concealer showing. Okay, so next I get my foundation, and I use Fit Me by Maybelline, and I use my color is 365, but you have to make sure you get your tone color. And sometimes if you don't know your tone color, if you go to I go to Walmart and get mines, or sometimes I might go to Target and get mines. But if you see somebody that's there in this section, you can ask them to tell you your skin color. I take it and I dab it on the back of my hand. Y'all see this knot? I need to go to the doctor because it gets small, then it get big, get small, then it get big. So yeah, but I dab it on my hand. I don't use too much. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. That's okay. What I don't use, I'm getting a paper towel. A wipe, and just wipe it off. Then I take this. He's doing too much. Don't do your eyes because you just did your eyes. Just do around and forehead, But and with this one, I kind of like dab it, put it in your hair ends, because you don't want, your hair to look different versus, how it would look. I was never a makeup kind of girl. And I guess as I got older, I'm like, I don't want makeup. Because nobody in my family wears makeup. Nobody in his family wears makeup. Now his sister, she's kind of starting to get into it. Make sure you get the crease in your nose. I also do my lips. I'm not gonna lie. I do my lips too. You see that? You see how it blends with my hand? That's what you want. You don't want to be two-toned. What was that? Oh my God, it's time for me to get me some more blenders. I usually get, let me see if I can find it. I can't find it right now, y'all. can't find it right now, y'all. Sometimes you might have to get a little bit more because you want that full coverage. I just want to make sure I got everything. And there you go. I don't want to put on lashes today, so I've been working my regular lashes, my own. And there you go. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is your girl Constance, and come back to me again when I do another tutorial. Thank y'all. Y'all be blessed. I'm gonna call y'all my chickadees. Be blessed, my chickadees. Have an awesome, amazing day. You're beautiful, you're wonderful, and you're amazing. Don't let nobody else tell you otherwise.